This is the SW Motech SYS Saddlebag Kit. You can find this kit and the entire SW Motech product line at accessoryinternational.com. This is the SW Motech Sys Saddlebag system, available for dozens of different motorcycle models. These bags are available with 3 different bag sizes and a variety of different mounting brackets, which will vary depending on the motorcycle model that you are ordering the bags for. The SysBag system is made in Germany and features several different details to make the bags next level. This includes a waterproof inner bag, a mesh compartment in the lid, carrying handles, shoulder strap, reflective details, and reinforced elements and magnets on the bag lid to prevent fluttering of the lids when picking up higher speeds with more wind buffeting on the bike. In terms of the construction, the bags feature an extremely durable and UV resistant 1680 ballistic nylon, which is used for the tank bags and the tail bags as well, to match up nicely with these side bags. The inside of the bag expands to allow for more storage capacity, and on the inside here you can also see that waterproof liner to keep your items dry. The bags also feature a rigid shape, so when you are picking up speed and you have the bags mounted on the motorcycle, they won't sag and look like they're drooping over. They will keep a more rigid, firm shape. In this particular bag, you can see we fit a full-size helmet on the inside. The full mounting kit with all necessary hardware to mount to your motorcycle model will be included as long as you order the bike-specific listing that shows the bag made for a specific bike. This will ensure that you get everything you need for a quick and easy bolt-on installation. Make sure to order your SW Motech Sys bags from accessoryinternational.com. My name is Alex at Accessories International, and I'd like to thank you for tuning into our video today. We're a family-owned business that was established in 1998 out of Miami, Florida. If you have any questions on the product review that you've just seen, feel free to give us a call at 786-242-5400. Thanks again for tuning in.